Hey campers, I'm Ranger Braden. I'm a camp ranger at the Atlanta Area Council Boy Scouts of America, here at Camp Woodruff. Today we're going to be learning and fixing a frost-proof yard hydrant. Say that 10 times fast. Frost-proof yard hydrant, 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 frost-proof yard hydrant. Ready? Let's get started. This is a frost-proof yard hydrant. These are used where freezing temperatures are common. Here at Woodruff, we have one in every campsite and a few spread around camp. Now how these work, the valve is actually buried underground below the frost line. The lever controls a rod with a plunger on the end which stops and starts the water. Now when the lever is closed, there's actually a valve down at this end that allows the water to drain all the way down below the frost line, keeping the pipe from failing. Now all of the components can be replaced above ground without digging up the hydrant. Now this is true until it isn't. Now the most common problem we have with these hydrants is they like to leak. Doink, doink, doink. Now the most common cause for leaks is the plunger down at the bottom isn't quite seated right. Now you can adjust that with this bolt right here. You loosen it, lift it up a little bit and retighten it, and then that will push the plunger down further. Now you need to be careful because there are 3 things that can go wrong with that. Number 1, the brass bolt can wear out. Number 2, you can bend the rod. Number 3, you can push the rubber plunger so far into the pipe, it breaks off and won't allow any water to come out. When number 3 happens, guess what? You're digging a hole. And fortunately for us, that's what we think has happened with the one we're going to be fixing today. Now before we get to our digging montage, we got to go over this video's safety tip. When it comes to safety, answering dumb questions is a lot easier than fixing dumb mistakes. If you guys have a favorite safety tip, leave it down below in the comments. And now, on to the digging montage. Now, if you don't want to have friends in the future, go ahead. Put 6 inches of concrete. You'll see, the next guy who has to come take it out, you're not going to be friends. When you're working outside, make sure you drink plenty of sunscreen and wear lots of water. There she blows. All right, we got it dug out. We've got it disassembled here. What happened to be the problem with this one, the seat where the plunger sits has actually worn so much that the plunger fit inside the valve and got jammed. And it actually pulled itself off of the rod. So the only way to fix that is to replace it. All right, so we have it in. We've turned the water on. We don't have anything leaking, so we're gonna see if it works. And there you have it. We've fixed this. Now all we gotta do is fill in the dirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Being a camp ranger is one of the best jobs in the world. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be a camp ranger, we have multiple opportunities here for volunteers to come and help us on special projects. Special shout out to our Order of the Arrow Lodge, who was up here last weekend, who helped us with a bunch of different projects. Thanks guys, really appreciate it. If you are interested in volunteering, there's a link down in the description. It takes less than a minute to fill out. This will add you to our email list, which will alert you of any upcoming service opportunities. This video was sponsored by the Atlanta Area Council, BSA. Visit atlantabsa.org to see how you can shape the lives of our youth in a positive way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trail.